The First Alert Basic Battery-Operated Carbon Monoxide Alarm features the most accurate carbon monoxide sensor available in a simple and easy-to-use alarm. Did you know that approximately 50,000 people in the United States visit the emergency room each year due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning? Yet more than 40% of American homes do not have a carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, tasteless, poisonous gas, giving it the name the silent killer. Sources of carbon monoxide can be any fuel-burning devices, such as your stove, furnace, water heater, and even your car. This alarm features an advanced electrochemical sensor that is optimal for detecting carbon monoxide. When carbon monoxide levels rise, the alarm will emit an 85 decibel siren that is designed to wake even the soundest of sleepers. The alarm itself is powered by a 9-volt battery, meaning no wiring is required for installation. Simply mount with the included mounting hardware. The battery compartment is located on the backside of the alarm. Safety features include a low battery light and chirp that will alert you when battery power is running low, and an end-of-life timer lets you know when the device should be replaced. On the front of the alarm, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 5-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing carbon monoxide alarms? Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of your home and in every bedroom. Garages are also important in the event a car is left running. Contrary to a popular myth about carbon monoxide, these alarms do not need to be installed near the floor to be effective. Carbon monoxide is actually slightly lighter than air, and it diffuses throughout the room or house evenly. It is best to keep carbon monoxide alarms at least 10 to 15 feet away from any fuel-burning appliance, avoid humid areas such as bathrooms, leave out of direct sunlight, and avoid places where there's too much air circulation, such as near fans or vents. For added protection, combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are available. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.